absolutely breathtaking speed into the corner. They touch, sparks fly, but the Red Bull gets the power down and takes the lead.
Let's see inside the factory of Formula One car.
Slow descent, check alignment on bank 1.
Bank 1 clear. Verify oil film.
Looks good, steady as she goes.
Balancing complete. Readout is showing 0.0005 grams. Well within the limit.
Torque check complete on the rear. All fasteners verified.
Copy that.
Fronts are signed off.
35 Newton meters.
Verified.
Next bolt, 35.
Verified.
2 millimeters clearance on the left.
Clear on the right. Lower slowly.
Copy. Dropping point, 5 millimeters.
absolutely breathtaking speed into the corner. They touch, sparks fly, but the Red Bull gets the power down and takes the lead.
We did it! We are the champions!
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creators' content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.